Recently, Shatut Dam, Shatut, is in news. Where is this proposed Shatut Dam located? This proposed dam is going to be constructed by India in Afghanistan. In fact, India is involved in various developmental projects and infrastructure development projects in Afghanistan. The recent Shatut Dam proposal is one such landmark in the India-Afghan relations. Our Ministry of External Affairs in a conference said that India is going to construct the Shatut Dam in Kabul River in Afghanistan. Actually, the dam is being constructed on the Maidan River, which is a tributary of Kabul River in Afghanistan. Already a dam was constructed by India in Afghanistan called Salma Dam, which is also called as India-Afghan Friendship Dam. And the two nations, India and Afghanistan, have recently concluded an agreement with respect to construction of Shatut Dam in Kabul city. What is the aim of this Shatut Dam? The aim of this Shatut Dam is to provide safe drinking water to 2 million population in Kabul city. That means 20 lakh people in Kabul city, if the dam is completed, will get a safe drinking water from this Shatut Dam. In fact, India has involved various infrastructural projects and developmental projects in Afghanistan. India have successfully completed various projects. As I told you, Afghanistan is a landlocked country and dams are very important in that country. So, India helped in constructing Salma Dam, and then India also constructed a long road in Afghanistan called Delang Jalaram Road. India also constructed a parliamentary building, Oles Jirga, Mesrano Jirga in Afghanistan. India also constructed various roads and also various schools and colleges, including libraries. India constructed, for example, Habibia Girls School in Afghanistan. As Donald Trump last year commented, India should focus more on development in Afghanistan rather than just focusing and constructing only libraries. But India, traditionally a conservative donor in the region, have given around $650 to $750 million as aid to Afghanistan. This shows India's impeccable track record with respect to promoting developmental activities in Afghanistan. As Afghanistan is a SAARC country, India wanted to help Afghanistan as stability in Afghanistan promotes security in India also. And the Taliban groups, their activities and their networks with other terrorist groups, particularly in Pakistan, is a threat to security to India. And the recently concluded deal between America and Taliban, even then if the deal is successful, almost the deal will be a failure, but even if it is successful, if the Taliban becomes powerful, it is a threat to India. So, in India-Afghan relations, India should encourage more developmental and democratic activities in Afghanistan, more infrastructure and employment generation in Afghanistan, rather than becoming a silent regional spectator. And the China factor, the Russia factor, particularly how the US withdrawal from Afghanistan is going to impact the regional security is also very important. And Afghanistan is a gateway to India's request policy. Already there was a proposed pipeline called Tapi gas pipeline, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, which is not properly materialized. And right now it is up to us to develop our neighbor, that is Afghanistan. Earlier, before POK, Pak occupied Kashmir, actually we have border with Afghanistan which was demarcated by Durand line, but our border with Afghanistan is completely insignificant. But Afghanistan is very important for India strategically, politically, particularly geopolitically, and that too with two major neighbors who are enemies to India, Pakistan and China. We need to have a developmental Afghanistan, an Afghanistan which is democratic. And India today believes in Afghan-led, Afghan-owned, Afghan-based peace and reconciliation process rather than third party coming and interfering in Afghan affairs. This is India's stand on Afghanistan, and India is still working for the development of Afghanistan, which we need to appreciate.